Hi, this is just a touch basis regarding live streaming. So first thing that we need to make sure that we are on the right page. So Jared Realty Group. Jared Realty. This is the page for Wilkinson Realty. Yeah, so Wilkinson Realty. I have set the live streaming for this page. For this channel, I should say. A few weeks ago, so it is now available. But for this one, I just created this channel as well, and set up the live streaming. So live streaming will be available in 24 hours. That will be tomorrow. But if we need to use it right now, this is the only page where live streaming is available. So, and then second, we need to go to this page, youtube.com and slash live_dashboard, and I will put this link in the description below later on. And then we need to set up encoding software. This just simply means we will set up where the video will be coming from. So if we go to guides, we will be directed to this page of YouTube, and then this is a list of apps that we could use. I'm not sure which one is available for Mac, this one, but mirror your mobile device to YouTube. This is for mobile device, and then this one's for Xbox, PlayStation, and this for gaming. So for Mac, this is for gaming as well. Okay, most of this is for Windows. So I chose Explicit Broadcaster, which is free for YouTube, for Windows. So I think we have a window there in the office, so we can set it up there. So if we click here, we will be redirected to this website, XSplit website, and then we click here to download, and then we just go ahead and proceed with the installation. And I already downloaded this. So let me close this first. Okay, I have downloaded that, so let's see. Let me open this. Right. I am now opening. So I have to log in. Alright. So let's wait until it log in. So while that is processing, let's go back to this page. And the next thing that we need to add is this code at the very bottom. Which one? The server URL. We need to copy this, then paste it on the application. So let's just click continue. Alright, so we're now here. Okay, and then we need to add source. So for example, of course we need the media file. We need to go to from our computer where the video is. So this one is a video that I edited. So it is available on on the drive, so you can go ahead and download it from the drive. So we click here and then we click open, and you can let's pause. Yeah, let's pause this video. Alright, so we can actually resize it or place it anywhere we want, and we can place another things right here on the video. For this purpose, we just want this video, right? Okay, so this just means to make it in full screen window. So we click here, and then if we want to live stream this video, we go to broadcast. This one right here. Let me adjust my video recording. So we click here in broadcast, YouTube live. Which we want it to go live in YouTube. Okay, let's wait. Alright, and then we oops, mistake. I just click live broadcast, so that's just mean it is not broadcasting. Let's do that again. We set up a new output. Alright, YouTube live, and then we copy this code, copy, and then we paste it right here. And we click authorize. Okay, and then it will be asking us to sign in. So we need to sign into our YouTube channel, which is 541772 sold.com. Sold at gmail.com. Click next, and then we enter the password. Forget what the password is. Okay, I think. Alright. And then we click on which channel we would like to use, but we copied the code from this channel, so we'll be choosing Hoganson Realty. Then we click allow. Alright, and then it is now authorized. We click OK. So it says it already exists since I have done that already earlier. Okay, so we simply close this, and then this one is the one that we have just added. So we just click this one to make it live. Alright, we click on this one, it will automatically go live. So start broadcast. So it is now broadcasting. Okay. So yeah, it is now live. It is now on live stream. Okay. If we check that, let's go to incognito window and then go to youtube.com. Let's just check if it's playing live already. Okay. So what's the title of the live stream? Hoganson. Let's just search that. Okay. Let's see, do we have a live stream video? Oops. Find that. just copy video. Oh, this is private. Okay, need to set that in public. Okay, let's refresh it. All changes are saved. And there you go, it is now in live streaming. So we'll just have to play. And then there you go. There's no live streaming. Let me stop that. Close this. Let's set it in private again. Alright. So that's how you set up a live stream video on YouTube. If you have questions, just let me know.